Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this session, we will discuss the important terminologies which is associated with the crops, and this session it will be very useful for all the agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this session. The first terminology it is jerking, and it is very specific to bajra crop. In jerking, the first tillers they are pulled out or they are removed, and because of this, it will result in the uniform flowering of all the tillers. The next term it is propping, and it is associated with banana and sugarcane. Propping it is the act of giving support to the specific crop. Next term it is forking, and it is associated with carrot. The forking in carrot it is due to the hard pan of soil or due to the application of undecomposed farmyard manure. The next term it is blanching, and it is related to cauliflower. The blanching in cauliflower it is mostly done in the early varieties of cauliflower so that we can protect the curd from attaining the yellow color after their direct exposure to sun, as well as to arrest the various enzymatic activities. The next term it is scooping, and it is associated with coffee. Topping, this terminology it is associated with cotton, as well as ginning it is the term which is associated with cotton. So in case of topping, we are removing the terminal growing point from each plant at a height of about 1 meter so that we can protect the further terminal growth, as well as we can encourage the sympodial branching and good ball development by diverting the energy flow. And ginning it is the process of separation of fiber from the seed cotton. So these two terms they are very specific to cotton crop. Next terminology it is nipping, and it is associated with gram. Nipping means we can say the pruning of top branches of the plant to encourage the reproductive growth. Next term it is pegging, and it is related to groundnut. Pegging it is the process of formation of peg from the flower, and this pegging stage it comes after 50 to 55 days after sowing in case of groundnut crop. Next terms are rating and stripping, and both these are related with jute crop. Rating it is the microbial process in which the aerobic as well as the anaerobic bacteria they loosen the fiber by decomposing and dissolving the pectin, hemicellulose and other cementing agents. The next term that is stripping, it is the process of removing of fibers from the stalk after the completion of rating process. Next term it is lopping, and it is associated with loosen. It is the process of removal of all the top branches in case of fodder crops. Next terms it is detasseling and silking. Both are associated with the maize crop. Detasseling it is nothing but the removal of male part from the flower. Important intercultural operation in case of maize. The next term it is picking, which is associated with mung and pea. Next terminologies which are very important to paddy crop it is depog nursery, bushing, paraboling, puddling. These all other terms which are related to paddy. Depog method it was introduced from Philippines, and it is one of the method of rice cultivation. Bushing it involves the cross plowing of the field or cross plowing of the young crop 4 to 6 weeks after sowing with a light country plow in 5 to 10 centimeter of standing water once or thrice. Paraboling it is a process of partially boiling of rice in the husk, and puddling it is a process of destruction of soil aggregates by the mechanical force in soil with the excessive moisture content. So these are the very important terms which are related to paddy. Caning it is associated with the pea. Suberization, deholving, these both practices they are related to potato. In case of deholving, in this cutting of plant before the harvesting of potato, and it is an important intercultural operation of the potato. Next term, it is earthing up. It is related to potato and sugarcane. Earthing up, it is the act of giving more soil for the growth as well as for the support of that plant. Slanting, it is related to rows, and it is a quick method of propagation as compared to cutting and grafting. Next, it is wrapping, arrowing, rattooning, marcoting, trashing. These terminologies they are related to sugarcane. Wrapping we are adopting in sugarcane to prevent it from crop lodging. Arrowing, the inflorescence of sugarcane, it is called as arrow, which comes after 300 to 365 days after planting of sugarcane. Rattooning, in case of sugarcane, it is advisable to take only one rattoon crop as they consume 20% of more nitrogen as compared to the pure crop or standing crop. Marcoting, trashing, these are all the terminologies which are related to sugarcane. Stacking, which is related to sugar beet. Standing with sunflower. Next term, it is tipping and skiffing. These both terms they are related with tea. In case of tipping, we are plucking off leaves from the tea. This is called as tipping. Next process, it is topping, which is related to tobacco. We have also seen this term regarding cotton crop, so keep in mind. Desuckering, it is also associated with tobacco and banana. Curing, it is also there for tobacco and tea. Curing, it is nothing but the drying of leaves. Wrapping, it is associated, means this terminology it is associated with tobacco. Wrapping, it is the burning of straw on the surface to make seed bed free from paste. And stalking, it is associated with tomato, and guddling with the grape. So friends, this was all about the important crop terminologies which is related to specific crops. For more such videos, stay connected with AgriExam, as well as you can get this PDF on agriexam.com. Thank you.